Hello guys, it's Saditya here and welcome to DTech, an episode where I will upload the daily tech news. Okay, here we go. Yeah friends, the first news which we are gonna see today is about Samsung. Samsung Mastercard announced biometrics card with fingerprint scanner for secure transactions. Samsung card will now come equipped with fingerprint readers to reduce contact at POS terminals. Samsung Galaxy X Cover 5 rugged smartphone with military grade certification launched. Samsung Galaxy X Cover 5 has improved touch sensitivity for us with gloves. Next, we are gonna see about Motorola. Motorola Moto G10, Moto G30 India launch date set for March 9. Moto G10 Power and Moto G30 launch in India will take place at 12 noon on March 9. Motorola revealed. The next week come to Apple. iPad and MacBooks model may support OLED display in 2021. The next generation 10.9-inch iPad could be the Apple's first tablet with OLED screen. Mi 11 Ultra launch appears imminent as it receives certification in Indonesia. Mi 11 Ultra is reported to have received certification in Indonesia with model number M2102K1G. Indian wearable market grew 144.3% in 2020 with earwears taking 83.6% market share. There were 36.4 million wearables units shipment by the end of 2020 according to the data by IDC. Poco X3 Pro specification surface online may launch this month alongside Poco F3. Poco X3 Pro is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 860 chipset. Thousands of Android iOS apps expose user data due to cloud misconfiguration. Zimperium found cloud misconfiguration problem on 14% of total testing base of more than 1.3 million Android and iOS apps. Google Photos for Web reportedly getting Explore tab that categorizes pictures favorites option in library. The Explore tab is a dedicated section for looking at photos categorized under people, places, and things. Razer Anju smart glasses with built-in speakers, touch control, and blue light filters launched. Razer Anju smart glasses are set to filter 35% of blue light. The replacement polarized lenses have 98% of UVA or UVB protection. Vivo X60 series India launch confirmed for March. New phone with RGBW camera debuting in H2 2021. Vivo X60 series debuted in China with the arrival of Vivo X60 and Vivo X60 Pro in late December. Jio working on low-cost laptops JioBook with 4G LTE connectivity Android-based Jio OS. Jio is said to be working with Chinese manufacturer Blue Bank Communication Technology for building its JioBook laptop. YouTube removes 5 Myanmar military-run TV channels from platform after coup. The channel taken down include the state network MRTV as well as the military-owned Mayavadi Media. Sony announces 6 games for PlayStation VR, including Doom 3 VR edition. Sony's next generation PlayStation VR headset was announced last month. Twitter reportedly working on undo send timer for tweets. Twitter is said to be working on the new feature that will be let users unpublish their tweets for a specific time limit. Red Magic 6 Pro with 165Hz refresh rate, dual shoulder buttons launched. Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro are powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset and Adreno 660 GPU. Realme GT Neo launched. It works with MediaTek Dimensity 1200. Realme GT Neo is going to be a very fast smartphone, the company says. Realme C21 with 5000 mAh battery triple camera launched. Realme C21 features a 6.1-inch display with a water drop style notch. Redmi K40 Pro, Redmi K40 may launch in India as Mi 11X Pro and Mi 11X. Internal code suggests. Redmi K40 Pro Plus is reported to launch in global market as Mi 11i. Scientists to look for signs of life in newly discovered exoplanets. Researchers will try to determine whether there are traces of life around a star other than our sun. Amazon opens checkout free UK grocery store, its first outside US. Once they have bagged their items, customers don't have to show a card or let anyone know. They simply walk out. Facebook asked Russia to provide explanation on blocked accounts. Facebook also asked to provide proof that the blocked accounts has been involved in illegal activities. Wipro to buy Capco consultancy firm for $1.5 billion in biggest buyout to become bolder company. The next one is about Vivo. Vivo Y31s Standard Edition with MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset HD Plus display launched. Vivo Y31s Standard Edition carries a price tag of CNY 1699, roughly about 19,100. Square to buy majority stake in JZ's Tidal Music streaming platform for $297 million. WhatsApp Facebook data sharing policy update opposed by South Africa. In January, WhatsApp asked all users to accept new terms, allowing it to share more private information with its parent company Facebook. Yeah, we came to the last news. It's about Microsoft. Microsoft emergency patch for Exchange Server began closely tracking by White House. That's it, friends. We reached the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys came to know something about the tech news which I said in this video. Okay, let's see you in the next video. Until then, thank you guys.